Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed students, today, I would like to discuss the concept of nihilism, a philosophical position that has often been associated with my work. Nihilism is the belief that all values are baseless and that nothing can be known or communicated. It is characterized by extreme pessimism and radical skepticism, condemning existence, and denying any inherent meaning or purpose. It is important to note that while I am frequently associated with nihilism, I did not endorse it as an ultimate philosophical position. Rather, I recognized its corrosive effects on moral, religious, and metaphysical convictions, and predicted that it would bring about a great crisis in human history. As the 20th century unfolded, many of the themes of nihilism, epistemological failure, value destruction, and cosmic purposelessness, indeed preoccupied artists, social critics, and philosophers. The existentialists, for example, sought to counter the destructive potential of nihilism by exploring the individual's role in creating meaning and purpose in the face of an absurd and indifferent universe. In my own work, I anticipated many themes of postmodernity, and while I acknowledged the challenges nihilism posed, I also believed that humanity could work through nihilism at a great cost. If we were able to survive the process of dismantling all interpretations of the world, we might then be able to discover a new, more authentic course for humankind. To engage with nihilism and its implications, consider the following steps. Recognize the crisis. Understand the pervasive impact of nihilism on contemporary culture and values, and acknowledge the feelings of anxiety, despair, and anger it may generate. Deconstruct existing values. Examine the foundations of moral, religious, and metaphysical beliefs, and question their legitimacy and relevance in a rapidly changing world. Embrace individual responsibility. In the face of nihilism, recognize the power and responsibility of individuals to create their own values and meaning, rather than relying on external authorities or traditions. Forge new paths. Explore the potential for developing new ethical frameworks, modes of thinking, and ways of understanding the world that are better suited to address the challenges of the modern era. In conclusion, while nihilism presents a significant philosophical challenge, it also offers us an opportunity to confront our deepest convictions, question our beliefs, and ultimately forge new paths toward understanding and meaning in our lives. Thank you for your attention, and may your exploration of nihilism help you navigate the complexities of the human condition in the modern world.